Chapter 11 The Revolt of 1857. After the Battle of Plassey, the British established themselves as the supreme power in India. They had conquered many areas and expanded their dominion over large parts of India. And they also started number of policies which caused poverty in our country. So, our Indians decided to attack or to fight against the British. There were protests and rebellions against the British. The Great Revolt of 1857 was such a great protest or great rebellion against the British, and it is also known as Sepoy Mutiny because Britishers called British Indian soldiers as sepoys. So this revolt was mainly between the British and the sepoys. That's why this mutiny or the revolt is known as Sepoy Mutiny. But we Indians call it the First War of Independence. So the revolt of 1857, then the Sepoy Mutiny, and the First War of Independence is the same war took place in 1857 in our country. There were many causes for this revolt. First one is political causes of the revolt of 1857. The British policies of annexation like doctrine of lapse and subsidiary alliance was the major cause or the reason for the revolt of 1857. Then the Nana Sahib's pension issue. They did not consider Nana Sahib as the next Peshwa, and British government did not give him pension. So this issue was also a cause. Then ill treatment of the Mughal emperor. They had made an order that after Bahadur Shah Zafar, after the last Mughal ruler, his successors were not able to use Red Fort. Then annexation of Awadh on the pretext of alleged misrule. Then unpopular administration. Then insecurity of Indian rulers. These were the major political causes of the revolt of 1857. Economic factors. British administrative laws ruined both the peasants and landlords. They collapsed our Indian handicrafts. India became only a mere marketplace for the finished products imported by the British from England, and as a result poverty increased in our country. The discontent motivated the Indians to join the revolt in large numbers. These are the economic factors which caused the revolt of 1857. Socio-religious causes. The British government interfered with the social customs of Indians. Sati, widow remarriage act, western education to girls wasn't welcomed by the Indians. Then apprehension about modern innovations like railways and telegraphs. Indians misunderstood that telegraph poles were erect to hand them, and in railways higher castes were made to sit with lower caste. Then policy of racial discrimination. Disrespect and ill treatment was given to Indians. British government always thought that they were superior than Indians. Then corruption in administration. Rich were allowed to go away after crime and poor were looted and tortured. Then oppression of the poor, beating, torture and imprisonment against the poor people. Then Indians feared against the western education. Pandits and Maulavis feared that it is done to convert their children into Christianity. Then taxing religious places. Lands belonging to temples and mosques were taxed by the British. These were the major socio-religious causes of the revolt of 1857. British government appointed many Indians as soldiers in the British army. They were known as sepoys. Certain measures undertaken by the British government created resentment among the soldiers against the company, like low salary, very less salary is paid to the soldiers, Indian soldiers. Then highest post given to Indians was Subedar. Then never rise in the ranks. Then no special allowance was given to the Indian sepoys. And they were also forced to take pledge for fighting outside the country. Some religion, they were not promoting this crossing the sea because of their religious belief, but the British government forced Indian soldiers to fight outside the country. These were the major military causes. The immediate cause of the revolt of 1857. In 1857, the British introduced Enfield rifles in the army. Here, there was a rumor spread that the rifles had cartridges which were greased with animal fat. The use of greased cartridges made from the fat of cows and pigs. So it was against the religious sentiments of the Hindus and the Muslims. So they refused to use these cartridges. When Indian soldiers were forced to use them, they revolted against the British. That was the immediate cause of the revolt of 1857. Introduction of Enfield rifle in 1856. On March 29, 1857, on the parade ground at Baratpur, a sepoy named Mandal Pandey fired the first shot of the uprising because he refused to use the cartridges and fired at his superior officer. He was arrested and executed for his defiance. This was the first shot of the revolt of 1857.